There's no time for a song on this one. I have to hurry. So you already know the anti-box method, and there's already a video for that, but I wanted to give you one more about synthetic division. So we have our steps that we talked about, and our condensed steps. So first off, we are drawing our synthetic division thing. I don't know really what to call it, but step one is flip. That's in reference to right here. We're looking at the number next to x plus or minus whatever number. That number is the one we're looking at. And remember, this method doesn't work if this isn't just normal old x, 2x, negative x. None of that works. It has to be one positive x, which this is. So then I'm going to look at this number. I'm going to flip the sign. So I have a positive 3. So I'm going to turn that to a negative 3 right here. Okay. Step 2 was copy. I'm going to copy all the coefficients from this big equation, right? So from here on out, I'm calling this one big guy. We'll call this one little guy. So I'm going to take big guy. I'm going to get all the coefficients. So how many x cubes do I have? I have 1. How many x squared do I have? I have negative 2, positive 3 x's, and the negative 1 is my last one. Step 3, I'm going to drop it. And that's in reference to this first coefficient. I drop it down, and it comes right there. So now, this was all set up for the big show. Now, step 4, multiply and add. Now listen closely, because this is so quick you might miss it. I'm going to take this number, 1. I'm going to multiply it by negative 3. 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. I'm going to put it right here. And now I'm going to take these two numbers, and I'm going to add them together. Negative 2 plus negative 3 ends up being negative 5. Now I'm going to repeat the whole process. I'm going to say negative 5 times negative 3. So we're going boop, boop, boop. See? Sound effects. Negative 5 times negative 3 is positive 15. I'm going to add them together. I get 18. This is going to be a weird answer, but that's okay. 18 times negative 3 is what? 30 plus 24, so negative 54. I'm going to add those together, and I end up with negative 55. Done. I did it. And now remember, we're going to put our x squared, our x, our number, and our remainder. And then we just fill those gaps in. So I end up with 1x squared minus 5x plus 18. The remainder is the only tricky part. So now, the remainder is going to be minus, minus 55, and then I have to put it over little guy. X plus 3. Boom. I just synthetically divided these. Are you happy now? Are you satisfied?